goodbye to the fungi of your body in 7 days thanks to this natural remedy of Algeria. Fungi are a hot topic of health today. It's hard for you not to know some people who have had fungus at some point in their life and somewhere in their body. Many times it is due to not taking precautions and others is due to infections. Today I speak of a testimony of a man from Algeria who revealed how he removed the fungus from his head, feet and hands. It is a remedy based on cassia, lavender and annatto, ingredients that have great antiseptic and fungicidal properties that will help you fight the fungus and the symptoms that it contracted. Ingredients: 5 pieces of achiate, a little cassia, 2 cups of water, a lemon, a little lavender. Preparation and method of use: 1. Place the 2 cups of water, the lemon peel, the 5 pieces of achiate and a good amount of cassia to boil for no more than 12 minutes. 2. Preserve: be prepared by storing it in a refrigerator for daily use. 3. Then wash the areas affected by the fungi, apply it every day until they disappear completely. 4. You will see and feel the effects almost instantly.